Hello, my name is Charles from JTech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to MIG weld. Now MIG stands for metal inert gas because, well, there is an inert gas. This is a CO2 argon mixture formulated especially for welding steel. And this gas shields the weld as it cools down to keep it from rusting, because metal rusts really quick. So I just open that a little bit. Now, what makes MIG special is that not only is there a gas, that's not really special. Oxyacetylene has a gas. Stick welding has its flux. But MIG has a trigger, and this trigger has a feed, which feeds you the wire. There's this huge wire spool, which is our welding wire, and then a wire feeder, which feeds the wire all the way through this hose into the trigger handle. This way of welding is really easy because with stick welding, the stick melts, so you have to get closer and closer to it. But with this one, all you have to worry about is your angle and your distance. But you don't have to worry about your stick getting shorter because, it automatically feeds it through. So it's a lot less to worry about, and it's easier for beginners to pick up. Now there are some welders similar to this that say no gas needed, and what those are flux wire welders, and they're just like this, but instead of having a gas, they have a flux, and they call them MIG welding, but it's technically not MIG because there's no gas. But I mean, it works the same, and they're handy and they're cheap, so they have their uses. Now, there's this chart here on the inside of the opening. Now, what this chart is it tells you the types of wires, what setting you need your big dial to be on, and then the wire feed speed, depending on the gauge of wire and how big your wire is. I'm not really sure how big our wire is, but I do know the wire, the steel is like this, so we'd want it on D for like 240. I think that feels good. So D240 for the steel we're welding. That's what the thing will be set for. So we're gonna close this. And we're gonna go over here, and we're gonna set this as the wire feed speed, so how fast it's going to be pushing the wire through the handle. And this right here is the heat setting, but it's really the voltage. So that's how it's set up. Also, this is an arc welder, which means it uses an electrical arc to heat up the metal to melt the welder stuff, so you can weld two pieces of metal. And I'm going to attempt to weld these two pieces of metal together. It might not work, but hey, what the hell? Yeah, here's the ground wire, and of course this is the the connector. So you touch them, an arc forms, it sparks the shit out of it, and there you go. Okay, so you have to turn it on. It's a very important step. You can't weld if the machine isn't on. And you're going to want to sit there, angle it, and well, you'll see. So let me see if I can actually weld this decent. If so, I'll show you. If not, that just sucks. Alright, well, I don't really know how to feel about that one. If you look, the weld is kind of shitty. We'll go ahead and finish out this little part right here, and we'll call the video a day. So. There you go. There you have it. We have a nice little MIG weld. Make sure you turn off the machine. Oh, and something I forgot. Make sure you're not stepping on the little hose, because it'll stop your wire feed. You know, if you jam it up, you'll have to. It takes forever to clean it up. That's just a bad idea. Just avoid it.